Okay, hello. Today I'm going to be trying to show you guys how to draw this. Shout out to my friend. I don't really remember their YouTube name, but I'll try to write it. Whoops, way too big. So that's Galaxy X9. The profile picture is like some sort of dinosaur toy. So go check that out if you feel like it. But anyways, how to draw this. So you want to start off with this blue background. And just so you guys know, this is on Ibis Paint X. And you can install it for free onto your phone. So if you want to do this, I would go do that. After you finish filling out your background, you just use the bucket tool. You want to make your blue a bit lighter of a blue and make your brush a bit thinner. You can see how big or small it is right there. And you just basically would just want to scribble. Mainly going in one direction. But it's only natural if you go in other directions too. After you got your scribble in, you want to go in with a round of blur. And I'm going 2 rounds, 1 across, 1 up. And then you want to switch to a slightly darker blue. Wait, no, sorry. You want to switch to a slightly more purple blue. And scribble again, but a little bit less. Trying to follow the lines that you already made. And then go over them with another round of blur. Also, sorry about the ads. I only have the free version, which means I have ads. Duh. If you feel like it, you can go over with another quick round of highlights and then blur that if you feel like it. I didn't do it on the original one, but I think it looks nice. Then, making this blue just a tad bit lighter. I'm just joking, we're going really light. You want to lower your transparency and kind of like add on these lines. No, you don't want them to be really straight. You kind of want them to follow the waves and be a bit wiggly. So it's better if you go diagonal when drawing or scribbling. After you scribble in your highlights, you want to blur those in, following the highlight. And you want to go and transform and open up repeat, and you just zone out. As far as you want. Okay, I'm just going to go over this one round time of blur. And go into special, drag. Kind of want to drag it down. Some spots you might want to go up too, so it looks like a bit of salmon. Then I'm just going to expand. Never mind, don't do that. Actually, do it. Yeah. That looks good. Sorry, my friend keeps on texting me. Stupid. Okay, then we want to smoothen it just a little bit. And I'm going to revert it too. Okay. So this is starting to look like water. And then, you see these shines? Those are kind of like your waves. I'm going to go over this with another layer of shine. Just so that way my water has some highlights. Blur it. Okay, never mind. Please, if you did that, just use 2 fingers, double click it. I'm not very used to giving out tutorials. Anyway, then you want to click on the sandy color. I'm sure about this step. And you want to, like, do that. Now, I'm going to do this on a different layer. And you want to hide your layer with the water. Fill in with the bucket tool. Adding your water again. Isn't it so pretty? Okay, and then you want to pick slightly darker color. You want to lower your transparency and put that slightly darker color all along the water's edge. Make sure that your transparency is a bit lowered. Edit any mistakes with your eraser. Get out of there. You don't belong in the water. Oi, out. And then, surprise, surprise, you want to blur that. No. Just this. There you go. And then you want to change your brush. Stop. To segment pen hexagon. And wait, no. Sorry. You want it to be dotted line around. If you don't have those brushes, you just unlock them by watching an ad or buying the full version. I trust me, I watched the ad. Okay, then you want to find a size that you like. I like 9. And you just add on dots. The dotted line makes the dots perfect, and if you accidentally swipe, it's just a row of dots. Also, if you add on dots in the wet sand, which you probably should, they will also become darker because of the whole transparency thing. There we go, that looks like sand. And then you want to go back to your normal sand color, make it a little bit brighter. Make sure that your brush is normal. I'm going for digital pen. Lowering the transparency, hiring, never mind. And you just want to make this little line right here in the corner. Don't make it go too far out. And if you want, it can like kind of follow the shape of the sand. And you want to blur that in. It isn't too noticeable, but we just want to make sure it's all nice. Whoops. So I kind of forgot that blurring it in will also blur your dots, so be careful. try going around the dots if you can. If you can't, you can always re-add in the dot. Sorry. I am a not very good teacher. Anyway, now that's all done. You need to go back down. And sequence pen hexagon. Making sure that's pure white. You wanna, yikes. I like 10.2. You wanna kind of outline the sand. I like outlining the sand 3 times. And you kind of go back and add in a bit more. And there you go. That's your water. If you do everything correctly, it should look something like this or like this. I'm just gonna flip that one real quick. So something a bit like this or like this will work. I like this one better, so don't mind me. There we go. And I hope that helped. Oh yeah, 1 second. I almost forgot. All the colors that I used are this color, this color, this color, this color, this color, this color, and white. Take a screenshot right now and then put this image in like the corner so that way you can just kind of like grab the colors sort of and use the exact ones that I used. Or of course you can experiment with your own colors, find out what you like. I'm not one to judge. Or of course you can follow a separate tutorial and probably make something better. I don't know. But anyways, until next time, just a reminder, Undertale is every Monday and Friday, so stay tuned for that. And just so you know, it's a quick little surprise. After I finish this neutral ending, I promise you I'm going to do another ending. Even when I stop recording Undertale, I'm still going to be playing it. I might record like little snippets of funny stuff that I find or secrets or anything. But that's it really. If there's any games that you want me to play, just leave it in the comments. And I'm going to say a swear word now so that way this video is not kid friendly. Frick.